Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will show you how to install a blackout curtain rod. Blackout curtains are perfect for blocking light and adding privacy, and installing the rod is easier than you might think. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather your tools and materials. You'll need a blackout curtain rod, brackets, screws, measuring tape, a pencil, a level, a drill, a screwdriver, and wall anchors if you're mounting into drywall. Step 2. Measure and mark bracket placement. Measure and mark the placement for your brackets. Hold the curtain rod up to your window and decide how high and wide you want it to be. Use your pencil to mark where the brackets will go. Step 3. Check for level. Use a level to ensure your bracket marks are even. This step is crucial for making sure your curtain rod hangs straight. Adjust your marks if necessary to ensure they're perfectly level. Step 4. Drill pilot holes. Drill pilot holes at the marked locations for the brackets. Pilot holes make it easier to insert the screws and help prevent the wall from cracking. If you're drilling into drywall, use wall anchors for added support. Step 5. Install brackets. Install the brackets by screwing them into the pilot holes. Make sure they're securely fastened to the wall. Use your level one more time to double check that the brackets are even. Step 6. Attach the curtain rod. Attach the curtain rod to the installed brackets. Depending on the design of your rod, this may involve sliding the rod into the brackets or placing it on top. Ensure the rod is securely in place and can support the weight of your blackout curtains. Step 7. Hang the blackout curtains. Finally, hang your blackout curtains on the rod. If your curtains have grommets, simply slide them onto the rod. If they have hooks or rings, attach them accordingly. Adjust the curtains so they hang evenly and cover the window completely. And there you have it, how to install your blackout curtain rod. With these simple steps, you can enjoy a darker, more private room in no time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below with your own curtain installation tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home improvement ideas and DIY projects. Thanks for watching.